Hello, welcome to Sun Signature Online Mathematics class. We have a problem in the board and it's a solved problem. The root of 5 plus the root of 3 all over 1 plus the root of 2 plus the root of 5 minus the root of 3 all over 1 minus the root of 2. The only way to solve, one of the ways to solve this problem is we look for the LCM of the denominator. And the LCM of the denominator is the product of the denominator. So I can conveniently write this as 1 plus the root of 2 into 1 minus the root of 2. The product of the denominator becomes the LCM. Now I'll use the LCM to divide each of the numerators. Now 1 plus the root of 2 into 1 minus the root of 2 divided by this. 1 plus root of 2 will cancel out. So I will have something like this: 1 minus the root of 2 into root of 5 plus root of 3 plus. Now if I use this to divide this, 1 minus root of 2 cancel out with this. I will have 1 plus the root of 2 into the root of 5 minus the root of 3. Now what I need to do is to open the bracket. So I will now use multiply this way to open this bracket, then plus multiply this way to open the bracket. Now, so 1 times root of 5 will give me root of 5. 1 times root of 3 will give me plus root of 3. I am done with 1. Now, root of 2 times root of 5 will give me minus root of 10. Then root of 2 times root of 3 will give me minus root of 6. I am done with this. I bring down the plus sign. Then now this side, 1 times root of 5 will give me root of 5. 1 times root of 3, of course there's a minus sign there, it takes it into consideration, give me minus root of 3. Then root of 2 times root of 5 will give me plus root of 10. Then finally, root of 2 times root of 3 will give me minus root of 6. Why? There is a minus sign there. All over this. Now, this is the conjugate of this surd. So if you multiply it, you see what will happen. It will cancel out. So let us do the multiplication of the denominator. 1 times 1 is, of course, is 1. Then 1 times minus root of 2 will give me minus root of 2. Plus root of 2 times 1 will give me plus root of 2. Then root of 2 times root of 2 will give me minus 2. You know why it is minus 2? Root of 2 times root of 2 will give me root of 4. And the square root of 4 is 2. So it becomes 2. So here, I can see that minus root of 2 plus root of 2 will now cancel out. I have this as 1 minus 2. And 1 minus 2, of course, is 1. Now, before we do that, let us look at the numerator first so that we can see what we can cancel out and what will remain before we come down to the numerator. Now, we have root 5 here. We have root 5 here. Okay? Now, I can write root 5 plus root 5 will give me 2 root 5. Root 5 plus root 5 will give me 2 root 5. I can write this as 2 root of 5. Then root 3 plus root 3 here. Plus root 3 and minus root 3 will cancel out. Plus minus is minus. So invariably, this will cancel out. Now, I have minus root of 10. I have plus root of 10. This will cancel out also, if you are following. Then I have minus root of 6 and have minus root of 6. This minus is plus, but you have something like this: minus 2 root of what? 6. Okay? Now, all divided by what? Minus 1. Because 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Now, let us take it like this: 2 root of 5 minus 2 root of 6 all over minus 1. I can factor out 2 in the numerator. So I can have 2 into root of 5 minus root of 6 all over minus 1. Now, this minus 1 will affect this negative sign. So invariably it will cancel out. So my final answer will become 2 into root of 5 plus root of 6. This becomes my final answer. Don't forget to share this video and also follow me on my Facebook page, also on my TikTok and in my Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate all of you. Bye.